Hello everyone. Welcome back for another Sunday Ideas. I'm still playing with the Magnolia stamp set. I have, and Magnolia paper, it might be cotton paper, who knows, cotton flowers. I have one more day in this month to do it. And so a special place is my stamp set, and Simply Natural is the paper. And I think this is cotton, but it goes well with the Magnolia. I thought today, I've given you all kinds of ideas of different parts of it. I thought today I would show you an idea using the full stamp. So I've got my full stamp. I've got my pattern paper and a layer to go with it. I have my white to stamp on, my card base, and I have my markers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color this up with my markers, stamp it, and then I'm going to fussy cut it. Okay, I've got my whole image colored, but it's been a while since I've done the first coloring, so I'm going to huff on this and stamp it. I'm just going to hold it a few seconds for the ink to transfer. Okay. All right, so I've got a fairly decent image. It's a little light in spots. Now I have to cut this out. So I'm going to cut it out and I'll be back. Okay, I got my image cut out, and I even cut out in the middle of the pieces because it looked funny. It would look funny on there. It would be white. So let's get the card put together. And I haven't decided which way this is going to go, whether it's going to be portrait or landscape. So we'll see. All right, I'm going to put this on. Okay, I think it's going to be portrait, and I'm going to put it on like that. So let me put this on my card base, and I think I'm going to put that on with dimensionals. So lots of little tiny pieces. All right. So, and here we go. All right. All right, I have all my backings off, so I'm going to put this on. I gotta be careful that it doesn't stick down before I want it to. Right like that. I'm gonna pull in some gold gems. And there's today's Sunday Ideas using the Magnolia. I hope you have enjoyed seeing the ones I've done so far. Today I wanted to give you an idea how to use the whole stamp set, and it works out great if you have something with a, kind of an edge design to it. Thanks for watching. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.